Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. Found under Advanced Search, the category keyword filter box will allow you to search for category keywords which are the equivalent of content tags you may have seen on other sites. So if I type in America, I get a couple different options. Now this doesn't mean they'll have America in the name, but they will have America in the category keywords. So let's say I choose an item showing how competitive America is on the Global Competitive Index. From here, you'll not only see the description I put for this pro-America item, but as you continue downward, you'll also see the category keywords, which are what is being used for this search, as well as the item keywords. Since a few of my category keywords have America in it, it qualified as one of the categories brought up for my example. These words allow you to find easier the categories more likely to cover specific topics of interest you like. From there, I can click on the Go to Article button, and you'll see that compared to 141 other countries, while there is still room for improvement, we're doing pretty darn good as a country overall based on these metrics. This video has showcased how to use the category keyword filter at a basic level.